I'm so glad. I was right there for a second. It wasn't working.
Yeah.
Sweet. Well,
I'm
it's
very
looking
glad.
good.
Okay, cool. So now that we've kind of got a basic look at what everybody wants, indexing challenge works. I'm gonna send this text off to see if Sarah can do it tonight.
Oh, was that Sarah's project?
Yeah, it was Sarah's.
Cool.
I apologize if my autocorrect decides to mess up my words. I text too fast.
Yeah, I'm right there with you.
I remember the days when it was like you had to do it, press the button 4 times, get what you wanted. And if you wanted an exclamation point, you had to make sure you didn't pass it.
Oh yeah, like
phones, I love those.
the T9 text or just like normal ABC text.
The T9 text, yeah.
Yeah, that was tough.
That was so much fun. I feel so old when I think about that. I'm like, yeah, I used to use a flip phone to text.
Yep.
And then the keyboard, the slider phones came out. Oh my gosh, that was awesome.
Yeah, those were like the coolest things. I remember one of my friends got one in high school, and I was like, I want one of those. But I never got one. I stuck with my flip phone.
Yeah.
If I had a choice, I'd still have a flip
phone. Nice.
I loved my Motorola Razr. That was the best phone. Charge forever.
They were beautiful. My sister had one in high school, and she loved it.
They don't break. You can throw those things at brick walls, and they're fine.
Yep. Okay, let's see. Okay, while we're waiting on her to text back, let me pull up the proposal she had. And we can adjust here. Because I know she wanted to adjust it so it was for a different group, I guess, not just the word.
Okay, so for more encompassing.
Yeah. Oh, she just asked that if we wanted to expand the challenge. You know, I personally think that it's fine that the way it is. I mean, we can, if we're not doing it to have like fully completed the project or implemented it in an actual setting, then I don't think it matters.
Right.
Quite honestly, I think that we could send in her proposal as it is, what she recorded.
Okay.
I don't know.
So, I mean, going off what you said, so we could just use the same population as the Meridian, Idaho, Amity Stake?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so. And then, yeah, let me pull up the assignment just to see what else is required. Okay, continue project proposal instructions. Okay, present the proposal and idea. The team should discuss all the ideas, come up with the final project proposal. So we're writing proposal with the following elements, 1 paragraph each. So I guess we can just condense what she's put in there. Yeah, it just says one member of your team will record and present your proposal. So I guess it's just condensing and then creating the slides for it. I don't know.
Okay. Does she already have a presentation already created?
Yeah, she put it in there. Yeah, here's her Google Slides.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah. So I think that'll work. I'm going to ask her how long her presentation was, the recording was, because I don't know. How do you guys feel about it? Would you rather condense it down or have her submit her already pre-recorded one?
Let me go ahead and watch it real quick, and just so I can get a better feel of how it looks and sounds.
Okay, that's a good idea.
And
I'm going to mute myself here for a second.
yeah. ERB.
Okay, what do you guys think?
I think it's fine.
Okay.
Agreed.
Then, sounds good. For the sake of making it a team presentation, I probably should re-record it, but I don't think the wording has to be changed.
I didn't think we had to re-record it. I thought, well, I guess, yeah, once it's decided.
Yeah, I was wondering about that because, I mean, once we decided as a team it makes sense that we had to re-record it, but
I thought that
so
we were changing. I don't know. I thought like everybody on the team would have to re-record it, but it doesn't sound like that.
yeah, no, just in here it says one member of your team will record and present your proposal for the class to review next week. So
I guess unless we were making major changes, and maybe that's what we need to do is make a change of some kind.
yeah. Yeah, let me see.
I don't understand this class. This is the most
I
frustrating.
know. Let me see. Okay, just give us.
I'm like, wait a minute, what? All the time in this.
Yeah. Do you know if he gave us his phone number?
I have only seen his email, and I've emailed him personally.
Okay.
He might have given out his phone number.
Let me see.
It's in this list. Nope. Okay. You can plug it back in.
So are you done?
No, I'm not done.
Okay.
Are you done? What's your sister doing? Go bug her.
Yeah, I don't see his phone number in here. So, I can shoot him a quick email, but in the meantime, I think if we change it a little bit, then we can.
I went through the syllabus again, and I didn't see his number either. So yeah. I think email is just the best way.
Okay. Let me pull this up.
And I did edit the proposal a little bit. There was a couple of spelling errors, and I fixed those, and I condensed the need purpose to one paragraph. I just took away some spaces.
Awesome.
So
that's great. That's great. And that was in this file. Oh, I can't.
Yeah, I'm
okay.
pretty sure it's the Jensen Sarah waterfall project.
Yeah.
Proposal.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I think that works.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay, so I will get that recorded this afternoon. I will email him first though and see if I can get a response.
Yeah.
Before this evening. And if he says we can use it, I'll just have Sarah send it off the way it is.
Okay.
But if not, I'll get that recorded. And I think that's pretty much it. That was the only thing we need to do other than the weighted scoring model.
Okay.
Cool. I'm also going to submit
I have
the...
a question. So
Yes.
Do we all need to take the quiz or just the one person, right?
Just the one person. I just need to let you guys know what we got on it. And he's going to update our grades, everybody's grades based on that. But yeah, for each of these, it's just one person submitting. So this week, I don't mind submitting. I can do that. And then we can switch it up, or I can just keep submitting. I don't care.
I usually prefer one person being in charge of that, because otherwise you're always like, who's doing it this week? And
Very true. Very true. So I'm good with it.
okay.
That'll be my job in the group.
All right. Otherwise,
Okay.
you're like, did they do it or not?
Right? And that's me. If I can see that all of my little boxes are checked, everything's done, then I'm okay for the week. So I prefer to be able to submit something at least.
Yeah.
So
just to double check on that proposal, does it show up if you refresh it, is it going to show the edits I did?
I'm hoping. It doesn't look like it.
I just barely did it, and I went in again, and it showed up differently.
Isn't that great? What is your view?
That's annoying.
Am I updating? Am I doing the wrong one?
There might have been another one that. Here, let me copy this.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to copy this and then put it in a different.
I do see 2 copies of it, actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'll do the same thing to the other one.
You can just delete the one that isn't edited. I don't care.
That's fine. I'll just both of them, and there you go.
Oh, yeah. Notice that plague instead of plaque.
Yeah.
No, I want to give them the plague. I think that's right.
That sounds wonderful. Okay. Any other thoughts on on changes or assignments that need to be put in? Everybody got a chance to look at the team formation thing yesterday, or
Team formation. The
wait, what?
yeah, the team formation page that we worked on, where we're talking about our current status and the next steps we have to take, and the whole.
didn't we do that together?
Yes, we did.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. I think the only person who didn't get a chance was Alexa, but I texted her last night, so she probably has looked at it. So
Awesome.
I'll submit that one too.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay. Thank you guys. This was
Thanks.
easy.
Okay.
I'll get this recorded. I'll send it off to you guys for feedback this evening after the next session of conference and see what you guys have.
Sounds great.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Thanks so much.
Thanks.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.